Friends, we are back in Georgetown, back in Nolina, and this time in the larger 60-foot section with Perry Homes. I'm not sure you'll find better one-level living. This is my absolute favorite floor plan from Perry. Take a look through, let's see why. All right, friends, you already know how I feel about Nolina. I think this is one of the hottest and most up-and-coming neighborhoods here in Georgetown. And now today we're seeing what's in their bigger size offerings, their 60-foot lots. Remember, when we talk about lot size, when we talk about 60-foot, 50-foot, whatever it may be, we're talking about the width at the front of the home. So we're talking about how wide that lot is from the curb. Why that's important? Well, it dictates how big of a home you can fit on it, obviously. So now in the 60-foot section, we're starting to get into bigger square footages. This home here, just shy of 3,000 square feet. And I think this is where Perry Homes really starts to shine in what they do, because here's a couple of things you'll see as we get through this walkthrough. You're gonna see large open spaces, very inviting, really good use of space. You're also going to see something you don't always get in single-story homes, particularly in the smaller lot sizes, and that's a media room. A lot of folks want that secondary living area, whether it's for kids, whether they're going to use it as a theater room, whether they're going to use it as a game room, whatever that case may be. A lot of folks want that feature. The 60-foot product offering allows you to get it. Next thing, and this is where I think Perry really does a good job on these floor plans in particular, super tall ceilings in these floor plans. So you're gonna notice a lot more height, and it's because of the architecture and the extra width in that 60-foot plan that they have the space to really raise those ceilings up and give you a bright open feel. That, in conjunction with the extra large windows we're gonna see here, makes this home even outperform. It's already a large home at 2,944 square feet. It outperforms that. I think it feels much larger. And honestly, I don't know if you're looking for single level living, I don't know how you can do a whole heck of a lot better, because this one checks a lot of the boxes. But I'm curious as to what you think. Let me know in the comments below, is this one level living that works for you? A lot of folks think they need the 2-story for the extra space to get some of these features. This starts to get pretty interesting when you have all of these options on just one level. Let's take a look through. Let me know what you think. As always, I am JW Rader. I am passionate about a real estate experience that is tailored to you and that doesn't suck. Let me know all the time. Happy to connect with you. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this home. Always feel free to reach out if you have questions. My contact information will be in the video. Super happy to connect. Super happy to help you as you work through your real estate journey. Without further ado, let's look at this beautiful home from Perry Homes. All right, folks, there you have it. The 2944 here from Perry Homes. As we have thunder going on, real estate never stops. This is the 2944 from Perry Homes. I want to know, did you love it? Did not so much? Was it not for you? That's what's great about real estate. It's so individual. It only matters what you love. There is something out there for everyone. And my goal in all of this is always to educate you about what's going on here in the Austin market, keep you up to date, and let you know what I'm seeing, and make sure you have the best information as you begin your journey to finding your next home. As always, if there are questions, if there's something you'd love to see me cover next time, drop it in the comments below. Always happy to help with there. And then, as always, if you have questions, reach out to me directly. Information right up here. Definitely happy to help, definitely happy to connect. And as always, if there's something that you need from me, happy to be a resource. Thank you so much for following along on these, guys. Really love doing it with you. We'll see you next time.